Hi guys, this is Ravikran. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to do the ride review of BMW G310R. This is the brand new vehicle. So actually it's the sunset time. The video may get a little bit darker due to low light. So please excuse me for that. Content is the main thing, right? So listen to my impressions. So let me start the engine. Wow, the engine sound is very good. It's very refined. And headlights are turned on. And those are watching my videos for the first time, please click subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you will get my updates immediately when I upload a video. If you want to see the features of this vehicle, I have made a particular video for that, so you can watch that video from the iCars. So basically I'll tell you the engine figures. So basically this is a 310cc, technically 313cc, which produces 34 PS power at 28 Nm of torque. 34 PS is actually good for this vehicle, as this bike has a single cylinder engine with 4-valve technology and DOHC, stainless steel exhaust. These are some basic engine specifications of this vehicle. And coming to suspension, you got ups and down forks on the front and adjustable monoshock at the rear. You got adjustable clutch lever as well as brake lever. You got new LED headlamp with DRL, and you got wide display, fuel indicator, range, trip A, trip B, odometer, average fuel economy, and as well as date. So the date is also given in this vehicle, and time, speed, gear indicator, rev meter. Coming to fuel tank, you got a fuel tank of 11 liters and 1 liter for reserve. So let's check the power. Gearing down. Wow, power is very good. It's pulling me crazy. Although it is only a 310cc, but the power output is very good. We are very close. 140 km/h in 6th gear. This is actually a fun to drive vehicle. It's much. It's very refined than previous BS4 model. I have also made a BS4 vehicle long ago, but the BS6 vehicle is more refined than the previous model. And if you can see the speed after 6000, it's picking up the pace. The torque on this vehicle is good. And let me check the brakes. Wow, brakes are quite good. Shift right. Okay, power wise, I'm very happy with this vehicle. I think I'm the only person who is doing this review at the night time. It's getting darker actually, as this is a winter season and the time is only 5:46 right now. And let's drag the vehicle one more time. Power wise, no issues at all. And coming to its brakes, the brakes offered on this BMW G310R from Vibri. You got dual channel ABS, 300mm disc on the front and 240mm rear disc. And coming to its tires, you got Michelin Pilot tires, and on the front you got 110 section tires, on the rear you got 150 section tires. Coming to its vibrations, there are vibrations on the seat, tank as well as foot pegs. There are no vibes on the handlebar. So when you cross after 5000 RPM, you can feel the vibrations under the thighs, tank as well as the foot pegs. If BMW has reduced those vibrations, that would be more good for this vehicle. So vibrations are the only main problem for this vehicle. I don't know if I am facing those vibrations on this particular vehicle, or I don't know about the other tested vehicles. And first service is also done for this vehicle, and it costed somewhere around 4,000 to 5,000 rupees for first service, and for every 10,000 kilometers you have to get service for this vehicle. You can take it for 10,000 kilometers, or else you can take it for 1 year. So which comes first, that will be considered as the next service. And coming to its mileage, the mileage can be expected somewhere around 28 to 32 kilometers per liter. So the current mileage for this vehicle that I am getting is 28 kilometers per liter. So basically this is a fun to drive vehicle. So if you drive this kind of bikes, you shouldn't worry about this mileage. So it's all about the fun and taking this bike out for some rides such as breakfast rides, and even you can take this bike for long tours without any problem. The riding posture on this vehicle is very good. This vehicle for the last 4 to 5 hours, but I haven't got any like body pains like wrist pain, back pain, so I haven't got any problems regarding the riding posture. So comfort wise is very good, and if you put saddle stay, top box, it would be fine. The weight is equally balanced. Basically this has a curve weight of 158 kgs, which is very good. Even each and every rider can take out this bike easily. And coming to its main pricing, this bike is priced at rupees 3,06,000 for this particular model, the grey and red. And if you go for some basic colors like black and white color, they are priced at rupees 2,94,000. So there is a price difference for particular grey and red color. This is called as limestone metallic color. So there is a price increase of 10,000 rupees for this particular model. So this is all about the simple ride review of this new BMW G310R. So once again, I'm telling you, power wise no issues, braking it's good, vibrations has to be improved, mileage you shouldn't worry about that. We all know that the BMW is a big brand, and you will get that brand feeling when you ride this vehicle. So each and every part given in this vehicle is premium, so you can feel that premiumness in this vehicle. And those who are new to my channel, please hit subscribe button and share the video with your friends, and turn on notifications so that you will get my updates immediately when I upload a video. So see you in another video. Until then, bye. This is Ravi Kiran signing off.